Our present method of writing numbers comes from the Arabs. For this reason, the system that allows us to write any number combination using 0 through 9 was called the Arabic numbers for a long time. Historians have now discovered that the system used throughout the world was actually originated by the Hindus. Therefore, we now properly name it the Hindu-Arabic number system. It is impractical to add, subtract, multiply, or divide Roman numerals. Thus, this system was never adopted as a basis for any system of applied mathematics. The Egyptians, however, used a system of numbers based on 10. It is generally believed that 10 became the basis of such a numbering system because of the fact that we have 10 fingers. An ancient word for finger was digit, so the corresponding numbers have become known as digits. Any whole number from 1 through 9 is represented by a symbol called a digit. Thus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are called digits. The word cipher comes from an Arabic word meaning empty and means no digit. The symbol for a cipher is 0. A cipher is commonly called a 0. When only one of the symbols is used, it is called a single digit or one-digit number. When two symbols are used, it is called a double-digit or two-digit number. When three symbols are used, it is called a triple-digit or three-digit number. Ten is the foundation of our number system because it consists of 9 symbols called digits and one symbol called a 0. The Latin word for 10 is decim. Thus, our system of numbers has become known as a decimal system. An important feature of our numbering system is that we can indicate values less than 1 by using what is called a decimal point. The symbol for a decimal point is a dot, just like the period at the end of a sentence. The numbers which appear to the left of the decimal point are whole numbers and are called integers. Integers always have a value of 1 or more. For example, 5, 23, 489, and 6,742 are integers. The numbers which appear to the right of the decimal point are called decimal fractions. They always have a value of less than 1. For example, 0.5, 0.23, 0.489, and 0.6742 are all decimal fractions. For the time being, we will only talk about whole numbers, the integers which appear to the left of the decimal point. With our numbering system, we can only understand the value of a digit when we are able to recognize it in its place. When the symbol for 3 is used to represent the number 357, it is easy to see where its place is. But when it is used by itself to represent 30, it is difficult to know for sure what its magnitude is. So the 0 is used as a placeholder. Now the symbols 3 and 0 are used to represent the number 30. We can express varying quantities by the magnitude of the symbol used. 2 has more value than 1. 3 has more value than 2. 4 has more value than 3, and so on. We can also express quantities by the place of the digit with reference to the decimal point. Each time we move a digit one place to the left of the decimal point, we multiply the value of the digit by 10. The place immediately to the left of the decimal point is called the ones place. All single-digit numbers will occupy the ones place. For example, the number 3 means 3 ones. The number 6 means 6 ones. The next place to the left of the decimal point is called the tens place. All double-digit numbers occupy both the tens and the ones places. For example, the number 15 is represented with the symbol for 1 in the tens place and the symbol for 5 in the ones place. The two-digit symbol 15 means 1 10 and 5 ones. The number 23 is represented with the symbol for 2 in the tens place and the symbol for 3 in the ones place. The two-digit symbol 23 means 2 tens and 3 ones. The third place to the left of the decimal point is called the hundreds place. All triple-digit numbers will occupy the ones, tens, and hundreds places. For example, the number 247 is represented with the symbol for 2 in the hundreds place, the symbol for 4 in the tens place, and the symbol for 7 in the ones place. The fourth place to the left of the decimal point is called the thousands place. All four-digit numbers will occupy the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousandth places. For example, the number 4,803 is represented with the number for 4 in the thousands place, the symbol for 8 in the hundreds place. There is no value in the tens place, so the symbol for 0, the placeholder, is used, and the symbol for 3 in the ones place. The fifth place to the left of the decimal point is called the 10,000ths place. And the sixth place to the left of the decimal point is called the 100,000th place. Thus, the number 407,652 is represented by the symbol for 4 in the 100,000ths place. There is no value in the 10,000ths place, so the symbol for 0, the placeholder, is used, the symbol for 7 in the thousands place, the symbol for 6 in the hundreds place, the symbol for 5 in the tens place, and the symbol for 2 in the ones place.